اثنين ثلاثة.
أصبح الذكاء الاصطناعي أقوى تكنولوجيا للإنسان. هو يساعدنا جميعاً على أن نكون قادرين على القيام بمهام حياتنا اليومية. كما في العصور القديمة، واجه الأشخاص ذوي الاحتياجات الخاصة العديد من العقبات في حياتهم، حيث لم يتمكنوا من القيام بالعديد من المهام التي يمكن أن نقوم بها نحن ببساطة. لكن في هذه السنوات الأخيرة قام الذكاء الاصطناعي بحل جديد لمساعدة الأشخاص ذوي الاحتياجات الخاصة، وذلك من خلال اختراع يد آلية نطلق عليها اسم اليد الاصطناعية. إلا أن تلك الأطراف الصناعية هي إحدى العوامل التي تساعد على زيادة مسببات التغيير المناخي في بيئتنا من خلال مصادرها التي يتم حرقها في النهاية، ثم إطلاقها في الغلاف الجوي مسببا العديد من الغازات الدفيئة. بالطبع لا يمكن التخلص من الأطراف الصناعية لأنها مهمة حقا، ولهذا السبب توصلنا إلى تصميم جديد ومختلف للأطراف الصناعية لليد، والتي يمكن تساعد أشخاص ذوي الاحتياجات الخاصة، ومن ناحية أخرى تساعد بالبيئة أيضا. So I'm pretty sure we've all heard about climate change and about its negative impacts on Earth and on children's rights. And me and my friends, we researched one of the causes that help increase climate change causes. And we were surprised to see that the main cause of this is the waste that comes out from prosthetics. So we came up with a new solution. It's a new model. It's a prosthetic that is sustainable, healthy, it's cheap, and it also helps make the UAE's vision come true, because we want to give it to the war victims and soldiers that always sacrifice their lives and parts of their body for the safety of our country. So we'd like to give them this prosthetic that is healthy, sustainable, cheap, and it also helps the environment. So this is our hypothesis.
By utilizing biodegradable biomaterials such as algae-derived biopolymers and nanocellulose composites, combined with innovative fabrications techniques like additive manufacturing with BOIX and mold-free casting with sustainable resins, we can create prosthetics impacts that not only reduce environmental impact, but we predict that these eco-friendly prosthetic solutions will enhance patient outcomes and quality life while promoting sustainability and responsible resource management and alignment with the UAE's visionary goals. So our objectives is exploring the utilization of the eco-prosthetics project, such as the algae-derived biopolymers, such as carrageenan, and the carrageenan is a substance that is powdered and added into the mold, the prosthetics, that makes it smooth and soft like the prosthetics.
Data analysis and calculations, comparing the complicated design of to the normal prosthetic arm, it would be $60,000 per piece. But if you get the normal prosthetic eco arm, it would only cost $45,000 per piece. At the end, the new prosthetic arm would save us 75% of the initial cost of the normal prosthetics.
Okay, so first of all, we already wrote our plan. So we wanted really to make a real prosthetic that helps people, but we actually needed chemicals that are quite dangerous. The school lab couldn't provide it because it's kind of dangerous, and we're still young for that. But inshallah, when we grow up, we would really make this prosthetic. So this is our plan. First, we're gonna design the phase. We are gonna draw our model. We're gonna test. We're gonna design it. We're gonna see the sizes, and then we're gonna material selection. We're gonna select materials that are healthy, sustainable, and it also helps the environment. Then fabrication techniques, we're gonna start building, we're gonna implement our plans and the pieces that we really want to do on the new model. Then we're gonna prototyping and testing. We're gonna test our model. Is it healthy? Does it fit the patient's hand? Does it really do everything? And then we're gonna finally assembly and fitting. We're gonna make advertisements about this model. We're gonna persuade people to buy this instead of buying the normal prosthetic. And then we're gonna follow up and monitoring. So like the guy who buys that prosthetic, we shall follow up with them. If like, how is it going? Is it healthy? Yeah. And then, so why should you buy this prosthetic instead of buying the normal prosthetic? First of all, just as my friend mentioned, it's cheap. So when you buy it, you're gonna save 75% of the normal prosthetic. And then because it's also sustainable, it also creates so there is a material called the algae dry biopolymers carrageenan. It creates new skin, new bones, and also that helps to heal the patient. And then so it's cheaper, it helps the environment, and we made this model. It's not really as we really want it to be. It's just a model for this. So our school can use it in the lab when if there is like something dangerous, they want to hold it. So even if you're wearing gloves, it might be dangerous. It may harm the student's hand. So we're gonna use this to hold stuff. So we tested this on these blocks. It does hold. It's quite working. So yeah. So also to be more creative, we made this model as it's just like a tester for this thing, for our prosthetic. Inshallah, we will put it in our lab. So as I mentioned, when there is something dangerous for students, they can use this to hold it instead of harming their hands.